Step closer, and the details start speaking. Up front, those razor-sharp LED headlights melt into the sleek carbon fiber bodywork. The front splitter sits low, aggressively channeling air for maximum downforce. The massive Ferrari emblem sits proudly on the nose, reminding you this is no ordinary machine. This is the future of Ferrari. Underneath that aerodynamic skin is a hybrid twin-turbo V8, paired with electric motors, producing a mind-bending 1050 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in under 2.3 seconds, and a top speed north of 250 miles per hour. But this isn't just about speed, it's about control, responsiveness, and delivering every ounce of power with Ferrari's signature finesse. Around the side, the scissor-style doors open upward, revealing an interior that blends carbon fiber, Alcantara, and digital intelligence. Everything inside the cockpit is driver-focused, from the race-style steering wheel, with integrated controls to the digital dash that adapts based on your drive mode. The rear of the F80 is where things get even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar, aggressive rear diffuser, and center-mounted quad exhausts announce that this machine was born for the track, but built to dominate the road. And with that Giallo Modena paint catching every last ray of sunlight, the F80 doesn't just drive, it dazzles. Ferrari says the F80 isn't just about pushing limits, it's about redefining them. Lighter, faster, and more efficient than any Ferrari before it. This hypercar marks a new era of design and engineering. From its active aerodynamics to its next-gen hybrid system, everything is made to offer blistering performance with a conscience. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol of speed, innovation, and Italian passion. The 2026 Ferrari F80 in Giallo Modena is more than a machine, it's a statement. As for the price, exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ferrari F80 starts at around 2.9 million, and with customizations and limited production, it's expected to climb even higher. This is a collector's dream, not just a car. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Giallo Modena, or is there another Ferrari color that speaks to your soul? Until next time, keep chasing the extraordinary.